Guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a 1940 Chevy Streetrod. It's a sedan, two-door sedan, finished in purple, highly modified. Under the hood we got a 355 fresh crate motor, air conditioning, power steering, power brakes, disc brakes up front, drum in the rear. Like high-rise manifold, MSD ignition, Canon style air cleaner, little catch can right here, Nova clip up front, electric fan, air conditioning blows nice and cold. Got a nice chop on it, gives it a real aggressive look. Got American racing torque thrust all the way around. It's got a power trunk, so it comes up on power on struts. It's an all steel body, aluminum heads, aluminum pulleys, blaster coil. The client's up there in age and the car's got to go. It's open to offers. I'd like to see it gone by December. It isn't perfect. It's a great chance to get into a street rod. A little blemish here. It's not horrible, but it's good. Also, in the front, I'm not sure exactly how he did it. Looks like he was pulling backwards out of somewhere, and front fender's caught. Kind of pulled him out. That's got to be fixed. We have tons of receipts. I'm sure I can get the paint code for you guys. It's got buckets inside. A little ratty, so he has these. They come with it. These are brand new, included with the sale. You can really dress it up nicely. She runs real nice. Tilt wheel, video gauges, 21,600 miles on the build. Power windows. Looks like it was built in the 90s. Interior hood release. Custom stereo. Some vintage air. Plenty of room in the back for kids. Seat belts. Headliner. Got a nice sound to it. Door shut real nice. Could use some finishing touches though, as you can see. Great opportunity for someone to get into this. Motor's barely broken in. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's weebyautos.com. Give me a call too if you like. I'm at 631-339-0399. And hopefully I'll talk to you soon. Thanks a lot.